Okay, so how to generate random numbers using Excel. So first we need to type equal sign, then we need to input run between. Okay, so ito run between, so double click lang natin to, run between. Then after that we need to type 1 example to 10, close parenthesis, then enter. Okay, so may random number tayo na 7, so center lang natin. Okay, example, you need to make more random numbers, so you need to click this one. Okay, drag until the button. After that, so we have the random numbers from 1 to 10, and next we need to put the arrow, this one, pag naka dark na siya, so we need to long press lang, then i-drag natin pa right, then yun. Okay, so I hope may natutunan kayo for the random numbers from 1 to 10. Thank you and God bless.